Hi everyone, this is CJ with Cyclotron. This is my wife TJ. We're going to go over a few features of her new SV650. We're expecting company this evening, so we thought we'd get this feature video done real quick. She's not ready to ride, she's not geared up yet, but she took it out riding a little bit yesterday. Did you have fun on it?
Yeah, a lot.
I think this is a fantastic motorcycle. Any smaller displacement bike, relatively speaking, is always talked about as a beginner bike. 650 is a pretty substantial size motorcycle, but for her, she's ridden a 650 Vulcan before, and she's very comfortable on this bike. So to go over some of the key features, it's a 645cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This is a 2022 model. The rumor is next month in Italy, Suzuki's going to announce that they've changed this model to a parallel twin. We'll see if that happens. If that's the case, I'm glad she got this model. Has 11.2 to 1 compression ratio. Fuel injection, of course. Also, obviously, electric start. Comes with a 1-year warranty, 6-speed transmission, chain final drive. Has ABS. You could tell the ABS because of this feature here. So it has 4-piston caliper front brake, 1-piston caliper rear brake, 17-inch wheels front and rear. I really like the looks of this black with sort of the bronze looking tubular frame. You like the looks of this bike?
Oh yeah.
Has a 3.8 gallon tank, or 14.5 liters. So this bike should easily have a fuel range of over 200 miles. Has nice LED lighting. So the dealer saw fit to put on a slip-on. He put on a few other features like these drop mirrors with LED lighting. Not great visibility for a beginner, so we put the stock
So now we got 4
mirrors
mirrors,
back
4
on.
eyes.
Yeah.
And what's that called? You put this one on.
Oh yeah, put the frame sliders on.
Frame slides on.
So 1-year warranty. You want to start up real quick?
Yes. Sounds good. Wait and see.
That's a good sounding exhaust, isn't it? Alright, you want to rev it up a little bit? Alright, you go ahead and shut off. So it sounds great. So MSRP on this bike is $7,849 plus $590 freight plus setup fee plus dock fee, and then the dealer furnished extras with these drop mirrors, integrated LED lights, frame sliders, and slip-on exhaust. Brought our total out the door to $9,300. I still think it's competitive. We're not paying the surcharge over MSRP like a lot of people are these days, particularly with, say, Harleys. But I'd say out the door price is competitive with a Kawasaki 650 Vulcan. And with the 30.9-inch seat height, it has 5.3 inches of ground clearance, 56.9-inch wheelbase, and a curb weight of 437 pounds. My wife's very comfortable on it. You want to go ahead and sit on it? So how tall are you? 5'2",
Yeah.
roughly?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Obviously she's not going to be riding with sandals, but she can just about flat-foot it.
Yeah, about 5. Yeah.
So are you comfortable on this bike?
Uh-huh.
You like the seat position? How about the reach to the bars?
Perfect. Be good for the shorty.
All right, well, we got to get you some more parking lot practice and get you the MSF class and get you on the road. All right.
Sounds good.
Thanks very much, everyone.
Okay, thanks.